everyone, welcome to Afro 101 channel. Today we're gonna learn how to Pilolo. Yes, that dance from Ghana that has been popular for so many months and years now, and I'm pretty sure that you want to learn so bad. The level, I would say now we living the beginner level, transitioning to the intermediate level. But I got you on this one. I'm gonna break it down in 3 different steps that are pretty clear, and that's gonna help you to get that step. Let's go. Step 1. On step 1, listen, all I'm gonna ask you to do is to pull up the right knee all the way to your waist while quickly pivoting your entire body to the left direction, okay? And all that standing on your left leg. You see that left leg? Are you pivoting with your knee? You wanna make sure that it's turning around that left leg, exactly. But also use your waist for the direction. That's gonna help you with pivoting. Use your waist to pivot, and all that force gonna go into your knee, like you're actually kicking somebody with your knee. Yes. Now, let's move to the second part. Now, the second part, your knees up, and you're gonna go now down, stepping 3 steps, okay? And you're gonna make sure that your knees are bent as you're stepping. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3 after you pivoted on your with your knee. So you just pivoted with your knee. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3 steps, making sure that you're on your toes. Exactly. Stay on your toes so that bounce can keep happening. And now, for the last part, what you're all gonna do is basically repeat step 1. So you're gonna pivot that knee again, but now you're gonna do it with your left leg. Exactly. So use your left knee to turn around your right leg, and now you're gonna step again 3 times. So your time is gonna always go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly. So it's a count of 8 to close the whole Pilolo step. All right. Guys, I think it's time for you and me to practice with the music. Are you ready for it? I know, it gets tricky, but keep the timing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go.
Pilolo, Pilolo, give me the Pilolo. Spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Pilolo, give me the Pilolo. Wonderful Pilolo, and spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Ajay.